Have you ever wondered what your future holds? Do you know where your destiny will lead you? Today I'll tell you a secret that can brighten you tomorrow. Well, jokes aside, today I'm talking about an centuries-old niche, astrology or horoscope content, which is evergreen. Whether you're a teenager or an adult, everyone wants to check their horoscope to know their fate. And when it comes to content, it can never end because its content is a bit everyday. But how do we create this type of content? Well, today I'll tell you how to create viral content in a very simple and easy way. So there are many ways to create content in this niche. You can talk about daily horoscopes or focus specifically on love life. As for me, I decided to focus on the qualities or characteristics of horoscopes. And I've written down some topics related to this. This is not a difficult task, you can do it yourself, but if you need any help, you can use GPT to write your topic. Here I've already decided on the topic, but I'll get the script written by GPT. So for the script, I'll just copy my first topic here and then go to GPT and give it this prompt. You can see it has given me a script, so I'll edit it a bit and you should too. So now that my script is edited, I'll copy it and then give GPT this prompt. Give me text to image generating prompts for each scene. So you can see it has given me prompts for each scene, so I can easily generate images from anywhere. So today I'll generate images using Playground AI. Simply click on create here, decide on your desired filter here, paste your prompt here and set the image dimensions on the right side. Below, select the number of images you want, and when everything is set, just click on generate. So I've generated all my images here, so I'll download them now. And now I'll move on to the next step, which is voiceover. For the voiceover, I'll use 11 labs. Here I'll select the voice that suits my script, we'll adjust its settings here, and paste our script here. Then after generating it, we'll download the voiceover. And after that, we move on to the final step, which is editing. You can use any editing tool you want. Today I'm using Filmora. So here I'll import all the generated images and voiceover. First I'll set the voiceover and then I'll set the image accordingly. So the images will be adjusted according to the voiceover. Then I'll add effects and set the transitions. So here I'm using the dissolve transition and I'll use pan and zoom to give it some movement. Remember, we have generated the images and voiceover using AI, so we need to show our creativity here. So add subtitles here, do good editing, and add effects so that you don't have any problems with monetization. So once the video is ready, I simply export it. So my video is also ready. So let's set the final result.
Welcome to the Zodiac Creativity Challenge. Today we're on a quest to discover which sign reigns supreme in the realm of creativity. Each sign, like Aries' passionate brushstrokes or Pisces' dreamy narratives, brings something unique to the table. But only one can claim the ultimate prize, and the winner is Gemini. Their curious minds and lightning-fast thinking allow them to weave magic in countless creative forms. From the written word to the painted canvas, Gemini's creativity knows no bounds. What do you think? Is Gemini the most creative sign? Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more exciting adventures.
And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, we can create fun and interesting videos about daily horoscopes that people will always love to watch. You can talk about love or anything else related to astrology. There are so many possibilities. So don't wait any longer. Start making your own horoscope videos today and help countless viewers see what the future holds. And believe me, your chances of getting viral are very high.